Like, if this Bible is cold and you try and put fire, it won't take the fire. It will burn the Bible, né? But when you take iron and you make it hot, it take the hot from the iron and it conduce it. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's like a reguleer, maar ek kry nie die Engelse woord nou nie. All right, let me just call it something that takes something and put it into something else. Good example, electricity. The only time electricity moves is when you switch on the light. So the light is the connection that connect to the light. So it connects the electricity to the light and makes the light. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So what I'm saying is that you are a container, but you don't switch on the switch. I think that makes more sense. That makes more sense. You have pap, and you sit with a pap. You're already full. But the problem is, because you are full, that pap will stay there for weeks and months because you are alone. You've cooked a lot of pap, but you don't share. And the pap gets rotten.